Ira Street Renovation, week 183. My name's Adam, and this week we're having some fun outside with the raised beds and these new robotic lawn watering units that I got for the front yard. Let's see if they work. This week, I'm working hard to finish the raised garden beds. Before I fill the beds with dirt, I make sure they're level, partly for function, partly for aesthetics. With the leveling complete, I switch on a good audiobook and start moving the 8 cubic yards of dirt to the beds one wheelbarrow at a time. On Wednesday, I finished filling my raised beds with dirt. I spread the surplus dirt around the yard, filling in this void left by a dead tree. This year, I'm going to try growing some grass in this bald spot. With all the dirt scooped up, I sow some grass seed in the front yard. I finished the night by washing the driveway clean. On Friday, my new auto sprinkler system arrives. This unit connects to a garden hose and prints water on a predefined area of the yard. It's not as good as a full sprinkler system, but it's much better than a manual lawn sprinkler. The unit is powered by solar and can be controlled via the Auto app. Assuming it works correctly, it'll stop watering on days of heavy rain and can fertilize the lawn programmatically with its 3 internal cartridge slots. Best of all, this is a set it and forget it system, which is the kind of system that Adam needs for it to be successful. Here, the system is running a test to verify the defined perimeter is accurate. My goal here is just to have an okay looking lawn without using a ton of water, so we'll see how it goes. On Saturday, I'm finally getting to the silicone ceiling in the master bathroom. There's really not much to say about this job other than the corners need a bead of silicone before I can use the shower. The silicone is the same Arctic silver color as the grout, so the lines should look identical. In the evening, I transplant more garden seedlings into larger containers. I'm also making labels for each seedling. I got this small thermal printer and it's making quick work of creating waterproof stickers. On Sunday, I'm digging a trench for the second auto water line. The front yard is big enough to require 2 sprinkler units, so I'm running this hose to the edge of the driveway. This length of hose by the house will be secured with some stakes. This 2x4 stake is driven into the ground, which will serve as a sprinkler mount point. With everything connected, I give the unit a test. So far, so good. In the backyard, I connect the raised bed's drip line to the faucet. Next, I expand the supply lines in each bed to have a main trunk line. I also run a span of pipe around the perimeter of the fence in case I want to grow pumpkins, squash, flowers, hedges, or really whatever. Here's how things are looking with all of the pipe installed. On Tuesday, it's time to get my lawnmower working again for the season. Maybe it's because I leave it outside all winter, but every spring I have to clean the carburetor, and after that, my mower runs like a champ. I end the night by applying all my plant label stickers to the plastic stakes. That's a wrap for week 183. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, happy gardening.